The business of television is advertising. In fact, advertising has been television's economic engine since broadcast began. Television was the perfect mass media. Reaching millions of captivated consumers at any moment was more than enough to drive advertisers to this powerful medium. Television advertising worked, and it became an incredibly powerful way to promote a product, build a brand, and sell a service. With the evolution of multi-channel television services, millions of consumers migrated to paying for additional programming choices. But with this expansion of programming to more than 100 channels, television has become a deeply fractionalized medium for reaching gross audiences. And the business of television marketing has become an increasingly labor-intensive process of targeting smaller, harder-to-reach audiences, making it nearly impossible to provide reliable marketing accountability for media buyers. The real question is, who's watching? Not based on mass marketing methodologies of the past or on viewer estimates from last year. Precision audience targeting in the cable television universe requires precise audience information and continuously updated viewer intelligence, all taking place within the boundaries of the digital set-top box. So how do television marketers effectively send targeted advertising messages to their target audiences with precision, reach, efficiency, and accountability? And how do multi-channel operators protect the privacy of their viewers? With INVIDI. Advitar is the television targeting technology that truly transforms television marketing and advertising. Advitar makes precise demographic impressions deliverable with visionary audience classifier technology. The targeting benchmark in viewer privacy-based machine learning systems that fuse demographic intelligence from television watching behavior. Advitar creates a fundamental new process for precisely capturing viewer impressions, integrating digital set-top box viewer intelligence, dynamic targeted commercial switching, and dynamic targeted real-time accountability in a seamless real-time accountability with Advitar. A valuable commodity is born. Television delivered advertising and marketing impressions, precisely delivered to true demographic targets. Advitar, targeted television advertising. Let's take a look at how Advitar's audience classifiers are designed and how they work together. At the most basic level, advertising and marketing is delivered directly to unique demographically targeted viewers using machine learning knowledge that precisely determines that a household's television is on, that a viewer or viewers are watching, and that the viewers who are watching fit the demographic criteria of the marketing target. Working in tandem, Advitar audience classifiers create an expert targeting system through the continuous analysis of viewer behavior from remote control click streams, converged with ratings information, EPG data, and census information. Yet because these processes take place inside digital set-top boxes, and because this information never leaves the digital set-top box, Advitar audience classifiers are able to generate true demographic targets without ever compromising the privacy of the household. This is the key to privacy protection and a critical design aspect of the Advitar system. Let's take a closer look at Advitar's audience classifiers. The Viewer Present Classifier. The Advitar Viewer Present Classifier generates fundamental intelligence in 5 important areas. Is the viewer present? When was the last audience interaction? When did the currently tuned program begin? When will the currently tuned program end? And when will the next program on the currently tuned channel begin and end? The Viewer Present Classifier manages these often overlooked but critical aspects of advertising delivery because most consumers leave set-top boxes on all the time, turning their televisions on and off instead. When key presses are made on the cable remote control, the Viewer Present Classifier recognizes that a specific viewer or viewers are present and differentiates the unique behaviors of the total number of viewers by establishing the unique household composition of viewers. The Viewer Present Classifier builds the first level of intelligence in identifying the demographic targets that are watching television in that household now. The Geography Classifier. This avatar classifier is technically not a classifier, as viewer behavior is not required to establish geographical intelligence. However, there are many targeted attributes the geography classifier quantifies and creates. By periodically publishing tables that correlate the serial numbers of each digital set-top box with zip code +4 information, superior geographical targeting can be accessed, such as the viewer's city of origin, the viewer's state, the viewer's congressional district, right down to the viewer's street. Avatar geography classifiers provide valuable new targeting resources for advertisers. Age classifier. By converging electronic program guide data, program category information, and program-specific viewership ratings with remote control generated viewer behavior, Avatar's age classifier forms a superior knowledge base of viewer age segmentations that are dramatically more precise than any of the currently deployed methods that rely solely on static information. Avatar's age classifier categorizes viewers into industry-standard age segmentations that buyers rely on and are familiar with. The income classifier. Avatar's income classifier cross-tabulates U.S. Census data with ZIP +4 codes. Using this information, Avatar creates block groups of 300 to 600 households and applies the median household income to the block group. Gender classifier. Avatar's gender classifier evaluates a variety of behavioral cues and unique viewer patterns to pinpoint gender. For example, men tend to surf more often and surf over a wider number of channels. Men also tend to watch several programs at once. Women watch more television, but tend to stay tuned to a particular network. A female demographic who switches more frequently would indicate the presence of a female teenager. Additionally, specific programs are often strong indicators of whether men or women are watching, such as sports programming, which is male-oriented. Conversely, the absence of male viewing patterns suggests that females are watching. When combined with remote control activity and other viewer behavior cues, these pieces of evidence yield gender identifications that are surprisingly accurate and reliable. Ultimately, it's the aggregate of these processes and analytics that reveal intelligence, continuously evaluated and contextualized to sharpen demographic identification. Avatar audience classifiers uncover fundamental demographic intelligence critical to targeting precision. Are the viewers present now? Where are the viewers located? What is the age of each viewer? What is the household income? What is the gender of each viewer? This is only the beginning for audience classifiers. As targeting technologies become more accurate, new and more challenging market-driven targeting horizons lie ahead. It will be helpful in understanding what all this means by applying Avatar and its audience classifier technology to current media buying and selling processes. Media buyers publish a television advertising avail request based on the campaign's gross rating points requirements to broadcast and cable television media sellers. The media sellers, using software programs, prepare avail schedules for the buyers. These programs produce avail schedules based on estimates from the previous year viewer ratings. However, with fluctuations in program viewership and continuously changing programming lineups, this leads to difficulties in maintaining individual ad schedules and meeting weekly GRP goals. With Avatar, avail scheduling is transformed by customizing targeted ad delivery, specifically to the viewers and households needed to accomplish the media buyer's GRP objectives. Media sellers simply enter the demographic impression requirements into the Avatar system, and in real time, Avatar produces a unique audience calculation that matches the buyer's desired demographics. With Avatar, media buyers no longer buy media off historical estimates. Avatar creates the precise purchase of impressions sent directly to true targets. Avatar gives media buyers exacting reach, frequency, and separation parameters for the cable spot advertising market. Avatar schedules are dynamically manageable and can be monitored during the campaign cycle. Media buyers and sellers can make real-time campaign delivery modifications to ensure the precise delivery of these desired impressions. Advitar Audience Classifiers are the foundation of the most profound innovations in targeting television technology, providing the essential tools for advanced accuracy, reach, frequency, separation, and accountability through a dramatically superior process for digital media delivery. INVIDI is leading the industry in defining the targeted television architecture for the next generation of advertising and marketing delivery for cable operators. And Advitar's audience classifiers deliver the difference.